My name is Richard Smith. I'm a technician here at Carfix, and I've been in the automotive industry for 26 years. My spare time, I like to ride motorcycles, go hunting, fishing, and spend time with my granddaughter and family. Working at Carfix is really great, and compared to a lot of other shops I've worked for, you know, it's so much better because they don't take advantage of customers. They're pretty much laid back, and it's not like a corporation that you have to deal with. You know, if you got a problem, you just talk to the owners and they'll see what they can do about helping you. They go above and beyond. They send you for training. They invest in you as, you know, as a technician or a salesman to get you better equipped for whatever's coming out in the next years. And if you're lacking in information or knowledge on something, they'll see what they can do what they can to try and get you the help you need, to get you the knowledge and so you can do the repairs right the first time.